Fact: how to lose weight without exercise. You can lose 2 to 3 kg in 10 days without exercise. Hello, today I will share with you 3 tips to lose weight at home without exercise. Please choose one of 3 and try to lose weight. Ingredients include 1 squash plus 1 ginger. Then cut the squash into circles. Ginger we cut the leaves. Boil the squash. After the squash inside is clear, add a little salt and ginger. Water and drink it in the morning after eating. 1 week use 2 to 3 times. Prepare 1 bowl of rice and sliced fresh ginger.